Hello students, welcome to my maths class once again. So in the last class I have done chapter number 6. Now I shall start chapter number 7. The name of the chapter is linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. So you are well known with that term equation in the last class, that is in class 6. Okay, so let me recall again. What is equation? A sentence which contain an equal sign or an expression. Let me write an example. Or an algebraic expression which contain equal. Suppose if I write twice x plus 3 equals to suppose 4, then this is an what? Equation. Okay, this is an what? Equation. And any equations what consist of left side and right side and an equal side. Left side, right side, and then what? This is the left side, this is right side, and this is what? Equal sign. Okay, so an equation consists of a left side, right side, and equal side. Left side in short form we can say that LHS, L dot Hs, H dot S, and right side you can say that RHS, right hand side, left hand side and right hand side. Okay, so let's begin with the exercise. So come to page number 110, that is exercise 7a. So exercise 7a. Exercise 7a. So see the first question. Solve the equations by transposition. Check your answer. Transposition or what? Transposition is what? To transfer from one side to another, to shift from one side to another, and to find the what? Answer. X is a variable. Okay, that is what? Unknown number we need to find from that what? Equation. So see how to solve by transposition method. So number 1, x plus 5 equals to what? 9. So what? By transposition method what? We transfer the what? Numeric part to the side of numeric part and keep the variable on the left side. That means what? By shifting. That means what? I shall shift this 5 on the right side. Okay, by changing the sign. Here it is what? Plus 5. So if I shift to the right side, then it will become what? Minus. And if it is minus, then it will become what here? Plus, the opposite of that one. Okay, in every cases. Now you solve. X equals to what? 9 minus 5, it is what? 4. So that is the what answer. Now what? Check your answer. Now you have to check the answer. Okay, check. That means what? You write x plus 5. So in place of x you write what? 4. So 4 plus 5, it is what? 9. So here 9, here also 9. So the answer is what? Correct. Now come to question number 2. A plus 10 equals to what? 12. A plus 10 equals to what? 12. So transfer 10 to the right side by changing the sign, minus 10. Okay, now what? A equals to what? 2. Okay, 12 minus 10, 2. Now check. Checking what? A plus 10. The value of A, what we found? 2. So write 2. 2 plus 10. Okay, that is what? 12. It is matching with the what? Right side. Okay. Now come to question number 3. You see question number 3, what is there? X plus 3 by 5 equals to 4 by 5. Okay. So transfer this one, this fraction. X equals to what? 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5. 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5. Now what? Take LCM 5, then 4 minus 3. If we divide then 5, then 5 1 are 5, 1 into 4 4, 5 1 are 5, 1 into 3 it is what? 3, then minus. Now what? X equals to what? 1 by 5. X equals to what? 1 by 5. Now check. Here you check. What? You put the value of x. X plus what? 2 by 3. So if you write, then in place of x, what will write? 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 plus 2 by 3. So add. So if you take then 15 as LCM. Okay. Then 5 3 are 15. So 3 here. Plus here what? 3 5 are 15. Here what? Here what? 1 by 5 came. And here what? Wait. Checking you do here. Checking what? 1 by 5 came. So check. What? X plus 3 by 5. So our answer came what? 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. So what? 5. Then here what? 1 plus 3. Okay. 4 by 5. Okay. Now come to question number. Come to question number 6. See question number 6, what is there? X minus 4.2 equals to what? 11.4. Okay. So by transposition you transfer x equals to 11.4, this minus 4.2. Now find 11.4 and 4.2. Subtract it. Sorry, here it will become plus, here it is minus. So if we shift to the right side, then it will become what? Plus. So what you see? 4 plus 2 it is 8. Then 4 1 5. 15 point what? 8. Oh sorry, 4 plus 2 it is 6. So 15 point x equals to what? 15.6. Okay. Now you can check the answer. What? X minus 4.2. So in place of x, I shall write what? 15.6 minus 4.2. Now this 11 point comes or not? You check. 6 minus 2 it is what? 4. Okay. Then here remain what? 14. 14 minus. Oh, sorry. Here remain 15. 15 minus 4 it is what? 11. Okay. So checking finished. Now come to question number 2. 2 or 3 sums when you practice at your home. As like. So in question number 2, what is there? Solve each equation and check your answer. That means what? Solve each equation and check your answer. So like this you have to solve. Same thing. So see question number 2. Number 1. 3y equals to what? 9. So 3y equals to what? 3y equals to 9. So here what? 3 and y are with a relation multiplication, because 3 into y equals to what? 3y. So I need to find the value of y. So I shall what? Shift. I shall transfer this what? 3 in the right side. So how it will go? It will go by division. Why it is division? Because in case of plus it is minus. So and in case of minus it is plus, and in case of what? Multiplication, it will go division. In case of division, it will go what? Multiplication. Now what? 3 1 are 3 are 9. So y equals to what? 3. Now check. If we check, then what? 3y. So 3 into the value of y, what? 3. So 9. So matching with the right side. Now come to question number 3. Minus 7a equals to 84. Minus 7a equals to what? 84. So write like this. A equals to what? 84 by minus 7. So it will come what? By division, because minus 7 and a are with relation multiplication. So 7 what? Minus 7a equals to what? 84. Yes. So 7 12 are what? 84. One minus is there. So answer will come what? Minus 12. Now you check. Okay. Minus 7a. That means what? Minus 7. Minus 7 into minus. The value of a is what? Minus 12. So what? Minus minus it will become what? Plus. And 7 12 are what? 84. So it is what? Plus 84. Understood? So it is what? Plus 84. Now come to question number 4. Question number 4, what is there? Minus 8am equals to minus 24. Minus 8am equals to minus 24. So what? This minus minus will get cancelled in the both side. Okay. If you see minus on the both side, then what? It get cancelled. Then remain only 8m equals to 24. Now you transfer this 8 to the right side by division, because 8 and m are with relation multiplication. 8 3 are 24. Here what? 3. M equals to what? 3. Now check. Okay. That means what? Minus 8m. Okay. So what? Minus 8 into what? 3. So what? Plus minus minus 24. Okay. Now come to question number 6. X by 2 equals to minus 10. Question number 6. X by 2 equals to what? Minus 10. So here what? Here 2 is with a relation division with x. So if you take to the right side, then it will become what? Multiplication. That means what? X equals to minus 10 into 2. Okay, this 2 will go what? Multiplication. So x equals to what? Minus 10 to the 20. Answer. Minus 20 is the what? Answer. Now you check it. Okay. Now what? Check. What? X by 2. So x what we got? Minus 20. So minus 20 by 2. If you cancel, then what? Minus 10. Answer is what? Minus 10. Okay. Now come to question number 7. The same thing. Y by minus 8. Same question. Y by minus 8. Y by, sorry, W by minus 8. Question number 7. What? Question number 7 what? W by minus 8. W by minus 8 equals to what? W by minus 8 equals to minus 4. So what? W equals to what? This will go what? Multiplication. Minus 8. Okay. So what? W equals to what? 32. 4 8s are 32. Okay. So and minus minus plus, it will go plus 32. Okay. So now you check answer. Checking what? W by minus 8. That is what? 32 by minus 8. So what it is? What? 8 4s are 32. So minus is there. Answer is what? Minus 4. So it is what? Matching with the what? Right side. Okay. Now come to question number 8. G by 2.9 equals to 10. G by 2.9 equals to what? 10. G by 2.9 equals to what? 10. Which question? Question number 8. So what? You check it. G by 2.9 equals to what? 10. So what? G will be what? 10 into 2.9. So what? G will be what? 1. If you multiply with 10, then the decimal will go here. It will be what? Only 29. Now check. That what? Now what? If you check, then what? G by 2.9. Okay. So what? 29 by 2.9. Okay. 29 by 2.9. Now what? You see, this is what? 2.9. So you need to what? Cancel it. So how? You see, 29, then here what? 2.29. Okay, divided by what? 2.9. So here what? 29 divided by 2.9. I can write what? 29 by 10. Okay. So what? 29 into, in place of division we shall what? Replace it by multiplication. Then this fraction will get changed. It will come 10 by 29. Okay. Now we cancel. You will get what? 10. Okay. So here answer will come what? 10. So it is matching with what? This one. You see this? Okay. Okay. So now come to question number 3. So question number 3, what is there? Write the following statements in equation form. Find the numerals to make the statement true. That means what? These are given in the what statement, that is words, and we need to what? Convert it into what? Equations. So see the question. You see question number 2, x decreased by 7 is 13. So whenever you find the word decrease, that is what? It denotes minus. Okay. So x decreased by 7, that means what? X minus 7. Okay. Is 13, that means what? Equals to 13. And find the answer. So see the first question, x decreased by 7 is 13. So question number 3, Roman 2, 1 is done already in the book. So x minus x decreased by what? 7 is what? 13. Is means what? Equals to 13. Okay. Now solution. We need to find the what? Answer. So x minus 7 equals to what? 13. Then x equals to what? 13 plus 7. It is minus, it will go plus. X equals to what? 20. X equals to what? 20. So that is the answer. Now come to question number 3. X less than 2 times y is 32. X less than 2 times y in 32. Y is 32. So you see question number 3. What? Sorry, 6 less than 2 times y. So what? 6 less than, that means what? 6 less than 2 times y. Okay, from 2 times y 6 is less, and what is 32, that means what? Equals to 32. Okay, equals to what? 32. Now solve it. Solution: 2y minus 6 equals to what? 32. Then 2y equals to 32 plus 6. So 2y equals to what? 38. Okay, 2y equals to what? 38. Then y equals to what? 38 by 2. If we cancel, then we'll get what? 19. Answer. 19 to 38. Okay. Now come to question number 4. If 8 is taken away from the number n, the result is 4. If 8 is taken away from the number n, okay. If what? Question number 4. If 8 is taken away from the number n, that is what? From the number n, 8 is taken away. So 8 is taken away means what? Taken away means what? Subtract. Okay, you remember this types of word which denotes what? Okay, which denotes addition, sum. This what? Denotes plus. So these things you have already got. So you see, 8 is taken away from the number n. The result is minus 4. The result is what? Minus 4. That means what? Equals to what? Minus 4. Now what? Solution. Okay, so n minus 8 equals to what? Minus 4. Okay, now what? N equals to what? Minus 4 plus 8. Okay, then n equals to what? Plus minus minus 8 minus 4, it is what? 4. So it is what? Plus 4. Answer. Now come to question number 5. 9 multiplied by r is 36. 9 multiplied by r is 36. So what? 9 multiplied by what? R. So 9 is multiplied with r. So you see, 9 multiplied with r, and what? Is 36. That is what? Equals to 36. Okay, so I can write 9r equals to what? 36. Now we take the solution. So what? 9r equals to what? 36. Then what? R equals to what? 36 by 9. So you cancel it. R equals to what? 9 4s are 36. Okay, so answer is what? 4. So R equals to what? 4. So that is the answer. Okay, so now come to question number 7. If d is divided by minus 4, the result is minus 7. If d is divided by minus 4, the result is what? Minus 7. So what? Question number 6. So sorry, this one 6. Now what? 7. Yes, 7. If d is divided by what? Minus 4. That means what? If d is divided by minus 4, this is division, then what? The result what comes? Then the result is what? 3. Okay, so that is the what? Equation. Now solution. Find the solution. So d by minus 4 equals to what? 3. So d, so what? We need to find d, so we shall keep d, and that will what? Go on the right side by multiplication. 3 into minus 4. So it is what? Minus 12. Okay, that is the answer. D is divided by minus 4. The result is what? 3. So it is what? Minus 12. Now come to question number 9. The product of 7 and the number x. Whenever you will find the word product, then and then you understand that it is what? Multiplication. Product means what? Multiplication. So come to question number 9. Eight you practice. Same thing. The product of 7 and the number is 42. The product of 7 and the number. Product means what? Multiply. The product of 7 and the number is what? Is what? 42. So it becomes what? 7x equals to what? 42. Now solution. 7x equals to what? 42. Then x equals to what? 42 by 7. Then x equals to what? 7 6 are 42. So answer is what? 6. Okay. Now come to question number 10. Quotient of m divided by 5 is 6. Quotient of m, that means what? When we find, that denotes what? A division. Quotient of m divided by 5. So what? Quotient of m divided by 5 gives what? 6. Okay. Then what? We need to find what? M. So now solution. So m by 5 equals to 6. Then m equals to 6 into 5. This will go to the right side by multiplication. Since it is on the left side, it is in, what to say, in relation division. So m equals to what? 6 5 are 30. Okay. Now come to question number 4. Solve the following equation. Now what? I need to what? Solve the following equation. So you see the first question. 5x plus 2 equals to thrice x plus 12. 5x plus 2 equals to what? Thrice x plus 12. I need to find the value of what? X. So see the question. See, 5x plus 2 equals to what? Thrice x plus 12. 5x plus 2 equals to thrice x plus 12. Now what? Now solve it. Now what? You take the like terms, 5x, then take this one on the left side. It will become what? Minus thrice x. And here plus 12, this will go here minus 2. Okay. So 5x minus thrice x, it is what? Twice x. And 12 minus 2, it is what? 10. Then what? X equals to what? X equals to what? 10 by 2. Okay. That is what? 5. X equals to what? 5. So what? X equals to what? 5. Now come to question number 3. Twice x minus 3 equals to 9 minus x. Twice x minus 3 equals to 9 minus x. Twice x minus 3 equals to 9 minus x. Okay. So you see, twice x, it will come here plus x, here minus it is, so it will come here plus x. Then 9, this plus, this minus 3 will go on the right side as the plus 3. So what? Here thrice x equals to what? 9 plus 3, 12. Okay. So what? X equals to what? 12 by 3. 3 4 are 12. Answer is what? 4. X equals to what? 4. Okay. How you see? This minus x I have taken here as plus x. Okay. So this minus 3 will go here as a plus 3. So 9 plus 3, 12. So twice x plus x, it is what? Thrice x. Then what? I have divided, then I got what? 12 by 3. So I cancelled with 3, it is what? 4. So x equals to what? Twice x minus 3 minus x. With twice x. Here it is minus, so it will come here plus 3. Then what? Yes, it is. Okay, let me check one time. What it is? 4 twice x minus 3. How much? 2 into 4 minus 3. 4 to 8 minus 3, it is what? 5. Okay. Now here 9 minus x. 9 minus x. How much? 9 minus 4. It is what? 5. Okay. So it is correct. Okay. Now come to question number 5. B plus 3 equals to 33 minus B. B plus 3 equals to what? 33 minus B. B plus 3 equals to 33 minus B. Okay, 33 minus B. So you check B, this B will come here plus B. Okay, then here what? 33, this will go as a minus. Okay, so what? 2B here, B plus B, 2B, and here what? 33 minus 3 is what? 30. Okay, so B equals to what? 30 by 2. If we cancel, then what? 15. 15 to 32. So answer is what? 15. Okay. Now come to question number 7. 1.9x plus 3.6 equals to what? 2.5 plus 3. So see the question what? 1.9x plus 3.6 equals to what? 2.5x plus 3. So how to solve? You check it. 1.9x, 1 point, these are the points. Okay, so what? You take this one, 1.9x minus 2.5x equals to what? I have just what? Transpose it on the what? Left side. And what? 3 minus 3.6. Okay, 3 minus what? 3.6. Okay, now what? Plus minus minus. So 2.5, 1.9. So what? 15 minus 9. How much? 1.9. So what? Now what? 2.5 minus 1.9. So 15 minus 9, it is what? 6. Okay. And here what? Okay, here what we got? 0. So here we got what? Minus 0.6x equals to what? Here what? 3.6 by 3.6 minus 3. Okay, so what? 0.6. Okay, so in this case what? We got what? 0.6. Now what? Here minus 0.6, because what? 3.6 is greater. Here also 2.5 is greater. So on this both case, minus will what? Get cancelled. Remain what? 0.6 equals to what? 0.6. Now what? X equals to what? 0.6 by 0.6. So same it will get cancelled. So it will come what? Answer 1. So x equals to what? X equals to 1. That is the answer. Now come to question number 5. Solve the following equation. Solve the following equation. Same thing. Okay. So see question number 1. 6x plus 14 equals to what? 16. 6x plus 14 equals to what? 16. 6x plus 14. 6x plus 14 equals to what? 16. So you check 6x equals to what? 16 minus 14. Okay. Then 6x equals to what? 16 minus 14, it is 2. Okay. Then x equals to what? 2 by 6. Then cancel 1. 1 by 3. x equals to what? 1 by 3. 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. Now come to question number 3. Okay, question number 2 you see. 3 also I shall solve. What question number 2? What given? 7 plus 5x minus thrice x. 7 plus 5x minus thrice x equals to what? Equals to 21. Okay, equals to what? 21. So see, so 7 plus 5x minus thrice x, it is what? Twice x equals to what? 21. So now what? Twice x equals to what? 21 minus 7. Here it is plus, it will go here what? Minus. Okay, 7 plus 5x minus thrice x equals to what? 21. Now what? 21 minus 7, how much? 14. Okay, so what? Twice x equals to what? 14. So what? X equals to what? 14 by 2. It is what? 7. X equals to what? 7. Now come to question number 3. 1.2 plus 4.8 equals to 18. 1.2x plus 4.8. Question number 3. 1.2x plus 4.8x equals to what? 18. Equals to what? 18. So you add it. So 8 plus 2, it is what? 8 plus 2, 4.8, 1.2. 8 plus 2, it is 10. Divide 1 in hand. 4 plus 1, 5 hand 1, 6. So 6.0. And 6.0 means what? 6. So 6x. If we add this one, then we'll get what? 6x. Then add 18. So what? X will be what? 18 by 6. 6 3s are 18. So what answer is what? 3. X equals to what? 3. Now come to question number 4. 6 bracket 5x minus 2. What? 6 bracket 5x minus 2 plus 12 equals to what? 30. Equals to what? 30. So now solve it. So what? If you break it, then 6 5s are what? 30. Then x 30x. 6 5s are 30. 30. Then x 30x. 6 2s are 12. Plus 12 equals to what? 30. Okay. Then what? Then 30x. This plus 12 and minus 12 will what? Get cancelled. So remain what? 30x minus, sorry, 30x equals to what? 30. 30x equals to what? 30. Now what? You divide it. X equals to what? 30 by 30. So 1. Answer is what? 1. Okay. Now come to question number 6. 5 bracket 6x plus 1. 5 bracket 6x plus 1. Okay, equals to 3 bracket minus 8 plus x bracket close plus 2. Okay, 6x plus 1 minus 8 plus x. Okay, now what? You break it. 5 into 6, it is 30. 30x plus 5. Okay, minus 24. Then what? Plus 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 minus minus. Thrice x plus what? 2. Okay, so you check 30x. Okay, then you take this one minus thrice x. Okay, then here what? Minus 24 plus 2, it is what? Minus 24 plus 2, how much? Minus 24 plus 2, it is what? Minus 22. Okay, and this one minus 5. Okay, now what? This I have taken here minus. Okay, so 30 minus 5, it is what? 27x. Here what? Minus minus plus, it is what? Again 27 minus 27. Okay, now x equals to what? Minus 27 by 27. So if we cancel, it is what? Minus 1. So what? X equals to what? Minus 1. Answer. X equals to what? Minus 1. Now come to question number 9. So question number 9, you see. Question number 9, what is there? 12 minus x by 5 equals to what? X. 12 minus x by 5 equals to what? X. So whenever you will find one side is in fraction and another side is in whole, then you cross multiply. That means what? Multiply this with this one with that one and this one with that one. Here nothing is there. That means what? Under that one is there. Okay, that is what? The denominator of that one with the numerator of the right side. The numerator of the right side with the denominator of the numerator of the left side with the denominator of the right side. So what? If you cross multiply it, then it will go like this: 12x minus x into 1. So it will what? Again it will come what? 12 minus x. Okay, 12 minus x into 1, it will come what? 12 minus x, because if you multiply anything with 1, then what? It doesn't change. Okay, and what? Here what? 5 into x. 5 into x. Okay, so one time you write so that you can understand. 12 minus x. Okay, into what? 1. Okay, with this one I have multiplied. Okay, okay, so you take in your mind that here 1 is there. So 12x minus 12 minus x into 1, 5 into x. Understood? Now what? You multiply this one, then it will come what? 12 minus x. Okay, and here what? 5 into x, that means what? 5x. Now what? You take this one. If you take this one on the right side, then it will go what? Plus. So 12 equals to what? 5x plus x. Okay, 5x what? Plus x, because it is minus. So if you take on the right side, that will become what? Plus x. Now here became what? 12 equals to what? 6x. Then what? X equals to what? 12 by what? 6. Okay, so what? You cancel, it will come what? 2. Answer is what? 2. That means what? X equals to what? 2. That is the answer. Okay, x equals to what? 2. Now come to high order thinking skill. Okay, question number 10. So see question number 10, what is there? 5m minus 2 by 2 equals to minus 11. Find the value of 2m plus 3. So you see how to find. Question number 10. So what? 5m minus 2 by 2 equals to what? Minus 11. From this what? I need to find the value of what? 2m plus 3. I need to find this value. Okay, so what? From this, let us find the value of m. Then we shall put the value of m on that one. Then what? We shall get the answer. First, from this equation, I shall get the what? Value of m. Then I shall put the value of m on that expression. Then I shall get what? Answer. So first you find the value of m. So you cross multiply as like, because one side is in fraction, another is in whole. So what? 5m into 2. That means what? Here nothing is nothing is there, that means what 1 is there. So if I multiply, then it will remain same. So what, minus 11 into what, 2. Okay, then 5m minus 2 equals to what, 11 to the 22. Okay, then what, 5m equals to minus 22 plus 2, because here it is minus. So what, 5m equals to what, plus minus minus, this was 20, then here what, bigger sign, minus. Understood? So what, now m equals to what, minus 20 by 5, so we cancel, then 5 4s are 20. So what, m equals to what, minus 4. M equals to what, minus 4. That is the what, answer. M equals to what, minus, sorry, with 5 now, 5. Yes, it is 5 minus 4 answer. Wait, let me check one time. What, 5m minus 2 by 2 equals to what? Yes, what, the answer came what, minus 4. The value of m came what, minus 4. Now what, now I need to find the value of 2m plus 5, 2m plus 3. Now right now, now what, putting the value of m on 2 plus 3. So what, 2 into m value is what, minus 4 plus 3. Okay, now what, 4 2s are 8, minus 8 plus 3. So it is what, plus minus 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 5. Okay, so that is the what, required answer. Right, therefore the required value of m equals to what, minus 5. Okay, now come to exercise 7b. So these are the what sum question. We need to what, first we shall read the question, then we shall take to the what, equation, that is what, in mathematical form, then what, we shall solve and find the answer. Okay, so see the first question. The sum of Raju's age and Ashu's age is 25 years. Okay, sorry, the sum of Ritu's age and Ashu's age is 25 years. 25. Ritu is 12 years old. Write an equation to find Ashu's age. So obviously what, if I add both their ages, then I shall get what, 25. So one age is given what, that is what, 12. That means what, Ritu's age is given 12. Okay, then what, then I can find the value of what, then I can find the age of what, Ashu. How? Because you see, because if I add both the ages, then I shall get what, 25. Okay, okay, that is what, this is what, Ritu's age, and this is what, Ashu's age. Okay, so if I add both their ages, then I shall get what, 25. Okay, I shall get what, 25. Okay, now in the question it is given that what, given that Ritu's age is what, 12 years. Ritu's age is what, 12 years. Now I need to find the age of what, Ashu. So I don't know the age of Ashu, so I shall let it what, x, then I shall find the value of x, then that the value of this x will be the required age of what? Ashu. Understood? So see how to write. So see the question 7b. Question number 1. Right. Let the age of what? Ashu be x years. Okay. Right. According to question. Okay. Right. Given age of Ritu equals to what? 12 years. Okay. Now write according to question. Okay. So if I add both their ages, then I shall get what? 25. Okay. So if I add both their ages, then I shall get what? 25. So from there you find the value of x. X equals to what? 25 minus what? 12. So x equals to what? 13. So what? This 13 is the required age of the what? Ashu. Therefore write the required age of Ashu equals to what? 13 years. 13 years. Okay. Now come to question number 2. A number decreased by 4. A number decreased by 4 is equals to minus 6. Find the number. So these things we have done in exercise 7a of question number 3. In question number 3, these types of question we have solved. So what? A number decreased by 4. That is what? Let the number be x. A number decreased by 4. Then what? X minus 4 equals to 6. That means what? Equal to minus 6. Okay. So from that we can find. Then find the number. So write, let the number be x. Let the number be x. Number 2, let the number be what? X. So according to question what? This number decreased by what? 4. Decreased by what? 4 and gives what? Minus 6. Gives what? Minus 6. Okay. So what? X equals to minus 6 plus 4. That will go as a what? Plus on the right side by transposition method. So x equals to what? Plus minus what? Minus. These things you have already learned. Plus it is what? Plus minus it is what? Minus plus it is what? Minus it is what? Plus. So you remember that one. Okay. So here what? Plus minus it is what? Minus. So 6 minus 4 it is what? 2. So here will be what? Minus 2, because bigger number is what? 6 and we should put the bigger sign. So what? Minus. Okay. So the required number is what? Minus 2. Right. Therefore the required number equals to what? Minus 2. Okay. Now come to question number 3. 7 times a number decreased by 3 equal 18. 7 times a number decreased by 3 equal 18. 7 times a number. So a number, that is what we don't know. So it was what? 7 times. That means what? 7x. And that was decreased by what? 3. So 7x minus 3. Okay. Equals 18. That means what? Equals to 18. Then find the number. Okay. So see. So see the question. What? Question number 3. 7 times a number decreased by 3. So let the number be x. According to question, 7 times a number. So 7 times, that means what? 7 times means what? Multiplied. Okay, 7 times. So whenever you find times, that means what? It denotes what? Multiplication. So 7 times a number. So let the number, that means what? The number is what? X. 7 times a number. Decreased by what? Decreased by 3. Decreased by 3. Decreased with what? Minus. Equal 18. Equal what? 18. Okay. So what? 7x equals to what? 18 plus 3. So what? 7x equals to what? 21. So what? X equals to what? 21 by 7. It is what? 3. So what? X equals to what? 3. Okay. X equals to 3. So what is the number? Therefore write the required number. The required number equals to what? 3. The required number equals to what? 3. Now come to question number 4. 1/5 of a number is 9. 1/5 of a number is 9. Find the number. 1/5 of a number. So 1/5, okay, of a number. Of means what? Multiplication of a number. So let the number be x. Of a number x. Okay. 1/5 of a number is 9. So is 9. That is the what? Equation. Okay. So let us write. Let the number be x. Okay. It is what? Question number 4. So let the number be x. So 1/5 of a number equals to what? 9. Is 9. So what? Actually it is what? 1 by 5x equals to what? 9. Okay. Now if I transfer it on the right side, then it will go what? As a multiplication. So x equals to what? 9 into 5. Okay. So x equals to what? 5 9 are 45. Okay. So the required, find the number. Therefore the required number is, therefore the required number equals to what? 45. Okay. So that is the answer of question number 4. Now come to question number 5. How old is Ramesh if 10 years ago he was 25 years old? If what? 10 years ago he was what? 25 years old. Okay. Now what? That means what? We need to find the what? Present age of what? Ramesh. So right. Let the present age of Ramesh be x years. Let the present age of Ramesh be x years. Okay. So according to question what? 10 years ago. So whenever you find the what ago, 10 years ago, that denotes what? Minus. Okay. So from the present age, if I subtract what 10 years ago, then I shall get the what? Then what? 10 years ago, that means what? From the present age, 10 years ago, what? He was what? 25 years old. So that is what? 25 years old. 10 years ago, he was what? 25 years old. Why I subtract from present age? Because from the present age, I need to what? Subtract 10 years ago, because his age was 25 years before 10 years ago. From this today, okay. So what? From this I can find what? X. So x equals to what? 25 plus 10. So it is what? X equals to what? 35. So that means what? His present age is what? 35. So right. Therefore, the present age of Ramesh equals to what? 35 years. 35 years. The present age of Ramesh equals to what? 35 years. Okay. Now come to question number, but that is what 5, question number 5. Okay, now come to question number 6. Apurva received 3/4 of all votes cast in the election. 3/4 of all votes cast in the election for school president. That means what? In a school, what? 3/4 of what? All votes cast in the election for school president. That means what? An election was done in a school, and among this 3/4 of all vote has been what? Casted. If he received 876 votes, how many students voted? That means what? In a total, what? He received what? 876 votes. Then how many votes, what? How many students voted? Now what? We need to find the number of votes what? Voted by the students. So what? Write let the total number of votes be X. Let the total numbers of vote be X. Okay, so according to question what? 1/4, sorry, yes, 3/4 of all votes. 3/4 of all votes. Okay, all votes cast in the election, and he received what? Equals to what? 876 votes he received. Okay, now what? So now you multiply it and you'll get the answer. So what? Thrice x by 4. Okay, and what? 876. Okay, now what? Thrice x equals to what? 876 into 4. This will go as a multiplication. Now what? X equals to what? 876 into 4 divided by what? 3. This x will go there. Now you can cut it. You can what? Like this. 3 2 jar 6, 3 3 jar 9, 3 2 jar 6. Remain here 2, 27. So 3 9 jar 27. Okay, remain 2. 3 2 jar 6. So what? 292 into 4. So what? 292 into 4. So now you multiply it. X equals to what? 292 into 4. How much come? 292 into what? 4. 4 2 jar 8. 6. Here remain 3. 4 2 jar 8. 9 10 11. 1168. 1168. So write what? Therefore x equals to what? X equals to what? 1168. So how many students what? Casted the vote? 1168 vote. Okay, therefore write, therefore the numbers of students voted equals to what? 1168. Okay, now come to question number 7. After gaining 15 kg, Nisha weighs 60 kg. What was her previous weight? So what? Let the previous weight of what? Nisha be X. So write. That is what? After gaining what? After gaining 15 kg, her weight became what? 60. Okay, that means what? Earlier she was with some what? Weight. And after that what? He took again what? 15 kg something. Then what? Then his age became what? 60. Okay. Then the question is asked that I need to find the what? Previous weight. Okay. So after gaining 15, he was what? In total 60 kg. But then what is the what? Earlier or what is the previous what? Weight of the girl. So right. Let the previous weight of Nisha. Let the previous weight of Nisha bx kg. Okay, bx kg. Question number 7. B what? X kg. Now according to question, after gaining 15 kg she was 60. So the previous what? Weight was X. We let it what? X. Now we can find the previous age. X equals to what? 60 minus 15. Okay. And X equals to what? Here what? 5. Here remain 5 minus 1, 4. 45. So what? X equals to what? 45. Right. Therefore, the required weight of Nisha equals to what? 45 kg. 45 kg. That is what? Earlier she was what? 45 kg. Then after adding 15 kg, she became what? 60. Now come to question number 8. A pole x meters long is broken into two parts. One part is 5 meters long. Now what is the length of the other part? So what is the length of the other part? Obviously what? A pole is okay x meter long. Suppose this is a what? Pole. Okay. Suppose this is a what? Pole, and it is what? X meter long. We don't know it is x meter long. Okay. And what? And it has been broken into two parts. Okay. And this has been what? Broken into what? Two parts. This is one part and that is what? One part. And the measurement of one part is 5 meters. Suppose one part is what? 5 meter. Now what? What will be the measure of the other part? So obviously what? From this total, if I subtract this part, then I shall get what? That part. Okay. So actually what? X minus 5. Okay. So write question number 8, Roman 1. Okay. Right. What is the length of the other part? Right. Therefore the length of the other part equals to what? X minus 5 meter. Because what? X is the total length of the pole. From that what? If I subtract one part, that is what? 5, then I shall get this part. The question is asked to find that part. Okay. So what? X minus 5. Now second question. If the other part is 6 meter long, write an equation and use it to find the value of X. That means what? Now in the second question it is said that the remaining what part, that is what? 6 meter long. That means what? Now what? The value of other part is given. Earlier it was 5. Now it is saying that what? That the other part, whatever remain, the measurement of this part is what? 6 meter. 6 meter. Yes, 6 meters long. Now what? Now write an equation to find the what? Answer. So obviously it will be like this. What? Number 2. So what? One part we know, that is what? X minus 5. it will be what? Equals to 6. Okay. Now what? You can find x equals to what? 6 plus 5. Then what? X equals to what? 11. Okay. That is what? The other part is what? 11. That is what? If it is 5 and if it is 6, then 5 plus 6 what? Obviously 11. So it is what? 11. So write. So that is the answer. So, and this is the required equation. This is the what? Required equation. Okay. So today up to this, and if you find any problems regarding today's class, then you can call me at night. Thank you very much.